Hello and Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, I will show you how to permanently delete a file or folder. All those files or folders could not be easily deleted. They say that this files or folder is not in your any location. So it's totally irritated. So let's start today's video. How can easily you will delete files or any folders? We need to delete this file permanently, right? So first of all, need to go Windows search option, write command prompt, already be there. So open this one. Now write cd space /d, and after that take a space and need to the file location, then where the file location is located. So press the left button in your mouse and go to the properties and see the locations are there: users, OneDrive, desktop. So copy this one and now paste it here. Okay, now press the enter option in your keyboard. Now write dir space /x. okay, now press the enter option. Okay, now you can see where your folder names are there. My folder name is intro ready. So where it was intro ready, here it was dir space intro -1. okay, so now right here rmdir space /q space /s space. Now write it the full name. The name was intro, INTROR-1. okay, now press the enter option and you can see that my folder already been deleted permanently. Okay, so that's the way you can delete unwanted folder or file. Those who are not deleted, I think now you can delete it easily. I hope you have learned something about this video. Please subscribe our channel and stay with us. Assalamu alaikum.